Let's make this delicious Malai rolls in just 10 minutes. This recipe is super easy to follow and requires just few simple ingredients, so let's get started. In a bowl, take condensed milk, now add milk powder for amazing and delicious taste. Fresh cream, you can also use fresh Malai. Add chopped nuts for the richness. Mix well and keep it aside. Take bread slices. For this recipe I am using milk white bread. Flatten the bread with the help of the rolling pin. Spread the mix on top of the bread. Spread evenly. Roll the Malai slice like this. Plate the Malai slices. These are soft and fluffy with creamy filling inside. Garnish it with condensed milk on top to make it more soft and juicy. Bread rolls are ready. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos. Bye bye.